Hey everybody, Cale from Melling. Melling is excited to announce the release of valve spring kits for GM LS engines. Many, if not most people, don't know that Melling owns and operates Melling Performance Springs, which is one of the leading valve spring manufacturing companies in the world. Melling's relentless drive to advance the aftermarket and performance markets with top quality parts produced by a multi-generational family-owned company has led us to develop numerous valve spring kits for the GM LS family of engines. These painstakingly engineered kits feature industry-leading beehive or dual valve springs combined with top quality chromoly or titanium retainers, steel valve locks, and the highest quality Viton valve seals currently available in the market. If you are looking for a valve spring kit containing the highest quality valve train components available, look no further than Melling. Make sure to check out Melling.com for a full line of stock replacement and performance engine parts. Thanks for watching.